Hey everyone! If you love cooking at home, you know the magic a great Dutch oven can bring to your kitchen. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 favourite enameled cast iron Dutch ovens that deliver incredible performance, beautiful designs, and make cooking a joy. Let's dive in. Number 1. Lodge 6 Quart. First up is the Lodge 6 Quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven. From the glossy blue finish to its solid build, this pot is a showstopper. The enameled interior heats evenly, locks in moisture, and brings out amazing flavors in everything from stews to homemade bread. Cleanup is a breeze too. Pros: excellent heat retention, durable enamel coating, oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, easy to clean, versatile for many recipes. Cons: a bit heavy, hand washing recommended. Overall, it's dependable and long-lasting, a true kitchen workhorse. Number 2. Mueller DuraCast 6 Quart. Next, the Mueller DuraCast 6 Quart Dutch oven. I love how it distributes heat evenly, making slow-cooked stews and sourdough flawless every time. Plus, it works on any cooktop and looks stunning with that emerald finish. The sturdy handles make it easy to go straight from oven to table. Pros: even heat distribution, stylish enamel finish, great for multiple cooking methods, oven and induction safe. Cons: a bit heavy, hand washing is best. If you want a durable, versatile Dutch oven, this one is a winner. Number 3. CAROTE 5 Quart. The CAROTE 5QT Dutch oven is perfect for home cooks who love baking and simmering. The cream white finish adds a modern touch to my kitchen, and the non-stick enamel makes cleanup easy. Heat retention and flavour are consistently excellent. Pros: excellent heat retention, versatile for all stovetops, oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, non-toxic enamel, easy to clean. Cons: not dishwasher safe, a bit heavy. It's a solid performer that's great value for its price. Number 4. Lodge 7.5 Quart. The Lodge 7.5 Quart is perfect for hearty meals. The storm blue finish is stunning. The lid seals in moisture beautifully, and the large capacity is ideal for family cooking. Slow-cooked stews and sourdough bread come out perfect every time. Pros: excellent heat retention, large capacity, beautiful design, easy to clean, oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, cons: quite heavy, not suitable for grills or open flames. For anyone who loves weekend pot roasts, this is a dependable choice. Number 5. Edging Casting 7 Quart. Finally, the Edging Casting 7 Quart Dutch oven. Thick cast iron, glossy enamel, and even heat distribution make it perfect for bread, stews, and slow-cooked meals. The moisture-locking lid ensures tender, rich dishes every time, and the large 7 quart size is great for families. Pros: excellent heat retention, large 7 quart capacity, moisture-locking lid, works on all cooktops. Cons: heavy to lift, not dishwasher safe. This one won't disappoint if you love hearty home-cooked meals. So there you have it, my top 5 enameled cast iron Dutch ovens that combine beauty, performance, and versatility. Whether you're baking sourdough, simmering a stew, or roasting a whole chicken, these pots make cooking a joy. Which one would you add to your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen tips and reviews. Happy cooking!